It's time to organize my brand new kitchen. Whether you're someone who loves cooking or just want a functional and beautiful kitchen, this video is absolutely for you. I am Manu Shivarajan. Welcome back to my channel, Kitchen Clicks by Manu. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any of my future vlogs. Stay tuned and let's get organizing. These sleek and clear spice containers are from Temu. Before we get to organizing, I am going to give these containers a quick clean in the dishwasher to make sure they're spotless and ready to use. The containers are now clean and dry, and it's time to fill them up. These spice containers are going to make my spice drawer look so much better. I have got these beautiful spice labels from Temu, and let's stick on each spice jar, and they are simple but stylish, and they'll give you a whole spice drawer a cohesive look. Look how amazing it turned out. I really love this, and my spice drawer is completely well organized and anybody can use it. We are done with these spice drawers, and let's organize these two. organize this beautiful countertop space. That wraps up my kitchen and counter space organization. Everything has its own place, it is easy to access, it's clean and clutter-free. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you got some ideas and inspirations of kitchen organization. If you have any tips and tricks that worked for you, just let me know in the comments below. I would love to hear them. Catch you soon in another interesting vlog. Until then, it's bye from Kitchen Clicks by Manu with love.